Instagram has added a new feature called Blend, allowing users to browse a feed of Reels videos within direct messages with content curated based on the tastes of the people in the chat. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a Reels Blend feed on Instagram DMs. Now let's get started. To create your own Reels Blend feed, open the Instagram app and go to your messages. Open an existing conversation with a friend or group that you'd like to create a blend feed with. Then tap the blend icon. Tap Invite. Your friends in the chat will then need to accept your invitation to create your shared blend by tapping Join. Once your friends have accepted, tap Go to Blend or tap the blend icon at the top to view your shared feed. Whenever you or your friends open the blend feed, you'll all see the same reels in the same order. You can react to and comment on reels in this feed, and your comments will be shared in your chat. If someone sends a new reel to your chat, that will influence your blend to better adjust to the preferences of the group. That's all it takes to create a Reels blend feed on Instagram. Did you know that you can also share music in DMs? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.